Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, after a long time, I thought I would give you guys a review of a ready-made hair mask which is affordable and also easily available. And also since I have not been taking care of my hair has been going through a lot right now, and that's when I came across this hair mask and a couple of other hair masks as well, and I was like, I want to try this. I want to try this on my hair and I want to see if it actually works, and if it does, I want to film it and share it with you guys so that you guys will be helped as well. I will be using it consistently for a couple of times and only then giving my review. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. If you guys do like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, do all of that, and also let me know if there is any other products that you want me to review in particular. Write it down in the comment section so that I can do the review for you guys. Let's start with the video. It's less than 200 rupees and you get almost 6 packets of it. That is so inexpensive when it comes to hair care. So I was like, let me give it a try. And so I bought it and it came in a box like this. It's from Amazon, obviously, but the box says Indus Valley. And once you open, you get this, which is like the 6 packets of Hair Ease Spa hair conditioning mask. So yeah, this is how it comes. Let's open it together.
Okay, let me get a scissors. Alright, let's open this.
Alright, that is how it looks. It is Indus Valley Hair Ease Spa hair conditioning mask. It has 15 ml of product and it says deep nourishing absolute repair and smooth shine cream dye. Don't understand the meaning of smooth shine cream dye. Anyways, back it says this lightweight silky cream dye moisturizes and detangles hair for soft and shiny style. My hair could use some of that for sure. MRP is 40 rupees for 1 packet. So that is for 6 packets. It should be 240 rupees. But I think it comes for less than 200 rupees on Amazon, and I think that's how I got it. And it's recommended for all hair types. My hair type, to give you an idea, it's straight to a little bit wavy, very dry at the ends while it's very oily at the roots, and I have pretty good split ends and dandruff issues, and my hair as of now is very dry and thin and brittle, and I just don't know, it's just not nice, that's all. So the directions for use is after shampooing, apply the mask, focusing on dry parts of your scalp and hair. Oh, it's for your scalp as well as your hair. Leave on hair for 15 minutes with or without heat, then rinse well. Oh, okay. The ingredients have water,
Alcohol, many chemicals, but I don't know what they are. And then we have wheat germ extract, wheat protein, amyloid, caffeine, sorbic acid, citric acid.
Do we actually need all of this on our hair? I have no clue, but let's try and see. To give you guys an idea of what my hair looks like as of now, there's just a lot of tangles and it's very dry and rough and lots of tangles. I've been going into the pool very often these days and chlorine is really taking a toll on my hair. It's very dry. So first, I'm going to detangle my hair, I'm going to shampoo it, and then I'm going to apply the mask. I'm going to use it for every day for 2 to 3 days minimum, and then I will give you guys my final verdict. Hey guys, so I'm out of shower. So I have been using like any of my old t-shirts to dry my hair. They say that t-shirts are much less harsh on your hair, and I've been using a t-shirt to dry my hair for probably a month now. I don't know if there's any much difference because the one that I used to use before that was a microfiber towel, and this one is very soft and very nice on your hair, so I think both works fine. But anyways, I'm out of the shower and let's use our first hair spa mask, shall we? So this is what it looks like. So this is the consistency. Conditioner is just thick enough, not very thick, not very thin. So I think that's a good consistency for a hair mask. I'm just going to apply it onto my hair and not really on my scalp. Applying such masks onto your scalp, it's really hard to wash it off later on because you're just using water to wash it off. So if you have dandruff, I don't prefer applying any kind of masks that is not meant for dandruff on my scalp. If I'm using shampoo later on, it's still fine, but if I'm just going to wash it off with water, then it's a no. The mask got easily distributed among my hair, which is a good thing. If you have long hair, one packet is not going to be enough for you because there's not much in there. It's just 15 grams. For my hair, this is like the perfect amount and you don't need more. I'm just running my fingers through my hair just to distribute the product all through my hair strands. I'm just doing beauty videos and reviews and things. It's just been so long since I've done one. These videos are easy to edit as compared to vlogs because vlogs have so much footage. It's always like 2 hours and 3 hours of footage and it's really hard to edit. These kind of videos will have maximum of 1 hour of footage and mostly it's just fast forwarding, so it's really easy to edit these videos unless I'm talking a lot, which I'm doing now. Okay. So yeah, I've just applied it all through my hair till the ends and it feels like there's a thick mask on my hair. Most of these masks just feel like a normal conditioner, which is very disappointing. So when the masks are a little thicker and feels a little more nourishing, I really like that. I'm going to leave this on my hair for another 30 minutes and then I will wash it off with plain water and then I'll just air dry my hair. I don't use hair dryer, so I will air dry and it takes about another 2 to 3 hours before I can show you the result. But it's already 5 o'clock in the evening. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning with the results. For now, I'm just going to tie up my hair and wear a shower cap so that I don't get the whole hair mask everywhere. These are like reusable shower caps that I bought like I think almost 2 years back. Try wearing a shower cap whenever you do any kind of hair treatments. I feel like it helps. Don't use those heating shower caps. Too much heat can be damaging, so don't use those. Just use a shower cap, a normal shower cap, and it will heat up on its own in there, especially if you're living in India, South India especially. Anyways, I'm just blabbering at this point. See ya! Hey guys, it's the next day morning, but I did put it in braids, so that's why the waves. Compared to how it felt yesterday, it feels soft and it does feel manageable. And I think there is a shine. Anyways, I really feel like it did something, but not enough though. It's a good mask and it's ready-made, so I like it. But of course, I'm gonna use it again today. Yeah. What's up people, I used it 3 times, okay? I still have 3 more packets left with me. The first 2 days were consecutive days, but then on the 3rd day I took a break because I didn't want to wash my hair every single day. And I used the 3rd hair mask on the 4th day, which was yesterday, and today is the 5th day after I started using the hair mask, and I thought I will give you guys my final review and also show you guys what my hair looks like. I mean, would you just look how my hair is flowing? I love that. These hair clips are the best thing. They're so well built. I love it. Whether you have short hair or long hair, it doesn't matter. These hold really good. And I bought this from Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description box. Check it out. It's amazing. I really like it, okay? On the first day I did not use any serum, but yesterday I did because my ends are always really dry and just using a conditioning mask won't do much for your ends. I used a little bit of the OGX Argan Oil serum. First let me show you my hair and we'll compare, okay? So yeah, this is what my hair looks like as of now. So I hope taking a look at the before and after gave you guys an idea, and now I'm just gonna talk about what I can feel personally and also what I think of the hair mask. I did write down what I felt. Right now what I feel is my hair is still a little dry. Like, I wouldn't say that my hair is very moisturized or super conditioned. No. My ends were super dry and dead when I started out. Compared to that, it's way better right now, but it's not the best. It can be better. Coming to the frizz, my hair has always been the frizzy, unmanageable hair. I always have frizz all over my head. I'm not going to completely depend on this hair mask to change that for me because it's not possible. And Max is alert because his mama is barking. Okay, now both of them are working. I don't know if I'll be able to talk in between that bark. My hair is still a little frizzy, but compared to 3 days ago, it's a little less for sure. But the sticky, unmanageable situation that I had, my hair feels soft. Like, it hasn't felt this soft in a while. And it is manageable. Like, I could just clip my hair up and it looked good. Earlier, when I clipped my hair up, it looked so bad because it was so frizzy and sticky and dull and unmanageable. But right now, it looks shiny for sure. The dullness has gone completely. To the last thing, it was super tangled when I started out. But right now, as you guys can see, even after like playing with my hair so much, if I run my fingers through my hair, it just glides down smoothly because there is no tangles whatsoever. And I love that. For around 200 rupees, if you can get 6 uses out of such a hair mask, then I guess it is one of the best goes out there. But then again, as I said, it really depends on what is your hair's issue. If it's really damaged, if you have caused heat damage, and if you have caused chemical damage, which is like coloring and bleaching and all of that, and then you want to revive your hair, then don't go for such a cheap hair mask. For that one, keratin treatments or protein hair masks and deep conditioning hair masks, this one won't work for that. But if you're like me who don't spend a lot of time doing hair care, and if you want to just, give your hair something extra other than your normal conditioner, then this is a good go. And again, with this one, you need to use it at least twice a week to see some results, I feel like. This is like around 200 rupees, but if you give like double the price of that, you can get a big box of deep conditioning hair masks, and those work just similar to this. Also, I think you get a much bigger quantity. In that case, I would rather go for that. If I'm gonna buy 6 such packets every single time I want to use a bigger conditioner, then I would not prefer it. Just because I'm gonna cause more plastic wastage and buildup. But other than that, just keeping the plastic thing out of the frame, I think it's a good go. I think it is a good mask and it works just fine. It doesn't give you amazing results. It doesn't make your hair doesn't make your hair all flowy, celebrity looking. Nah, it doesn't do all of that. It gives your hair a shine. It gives your hair some nourishment. It makes your hair manageable. It makes your hair tangle free. More than enough for 200 rupees. So yes, it's a good go. With that, I'm done with the review and I hope you find it helpful, and if you guys do, give this video a big thumbs up and also comment down below and let me know what other products you want me to review. Try and mention more of hair care products because I don't want to really experiment with skincare. Link for the product will be down in the description box. Check that out, and with all that said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Bye.